In today's fast-paced world, the prospect of earning money while we sleep has an undeniably magnetic allure. Passive online income, a term synonymous with financial freedom and time flexibility, has become a popular goal for beginners and experienced online entrepreneurs alike. But can one truly generate income on autopilot? In this video, we'll explore various strategies and their effectiveness, while taking into consideration factors such as the desired time frame for generating passive income, target audience, investment range, and personal preferences or restrictions. Delving into passive income streams. 1. Low-cost strategies for beginners. A. Affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale, beginners can dip their toes into the passive income pool without substantial upfront investments. However, generating a steady income requires building a robust online presence, which may take several months. B. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is another low-cost option. By leveraging your expertise in a particular subject, you can generate income without ongoing effort once the course is created. Keep in mind that marketing and updating the course are essential for its success. 2. High-cost strategies for experienced entrepreneurs. A. E-commerce stores. For those willing to invest time and money, launching an e-commerce store can become a significant source of passive income. By utilizing dropshipping and outsourcing tasks, an online store can generate income with minimal intervention. However, the initial setup and maintenance costs can be high. B. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate investments have long been considered an effective passive income strategy. By pooling resources with other investors, you can invest in properties without significant capital or hands-on management. However, this strategy carries inherent risks, and the time frame for returns can be lengthy. 3. Ethical considerations and personal preferences. It's crucial to choose income streams that align with your values and preferences. For example, some might avoid certain affiliate marketing niches due to ethical reasons or choose environmentally friendly products for their e-commerce store. Similarly, when investing in real estate crowdfunding, it's essential to research the projects and ensure they match your ethical standards. Weighing the pros and cons of passive income strategies. While it's true that passive income can provide financial freedom and flexibility, it's crucial to understand that there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. Each income stream comes with its own set of challenges, risks, and rewards. By considering the target audience, desired time frame for generating income, preferred investment range, and personal preferences, one can make informed decisions to optimize their passive income journey. Ultimately, the key to successful passive online income lies in embracing the learning curve, persevering through challenges, and continuously adapting to the ever-changing landscape of online entrepreneurship.